Barn owls are fascinating creatures. They sleep during the day and are active at night. They're stealthy hunters and have extremely acute hearing. Their pale plumage and large, entirely dark eyes give them a fascinating, somewhat creepy appearance, particularly at night. Their nocturnal nature also makes them difficult to observe and photograph. Barn owls have exceptional hearing that allows them to capture prey in complete darkness. They can pick up the faintest noise from prey and use these sounds to pinpoint their location. This also helps them locate prey that may be underneath cover, like grass or snow. Barn owls can hear sounds that people cannot hear, and they can also memorize the various sounds made by their prey. This provides them with the advantage of knowing precisely what their prey is doing, whether they are motionless, eating, or simply moving around. Barn owls and other species of owls have ears that are placed at different heights on the sides of their heads. Their ears face forward in different directions to give them a better sense of where the source of the sound is without having to turn their heads. Barn owls have control over the small feathers surrounding their ears and faces. This also helps direct sound into their ears. Another key feature that allows barn owls to be such adept hunters is their ability to locate prey by sound alone. Barn owls also have a reflecting tapetum layer in their eyes. This lies behind the retina. It bounces light back and forth and amplifies images in dim conditions. As they scan for prey at night, they rotate their heads up to 270 degrees to maximize their field of view. The unique hunting behavior of barn owls showcases their supreme adaptations for tracking and catching prey at night. Features like silent flight, precise sound, localization, and low light vision allow the barn owl to master the darkness.